Today, we're talking about creating a welcoming and inclusive space for our Jewish guests. Let's turn your Airbnb into a haven, a home away from home, by making it truly kosher-friendly. For our Jewish guests, the kitchen is the heart of their observance. Think separate sets of dishes and cutlery, clearly labelled meat and dairy. Stock the pantry with a few kosher essentials, oil, sugar, salt, perhaps some kosher tea biscuits. A welcome guide with details on the nearest kosher shops, that's just going above and beyond. Shabbat is a time of rest and rejuvenation. Keyless entry and timers for the lights make life easier for them. Pre-cut toilet paper seems like a small thing, but it makes a world of difference. A little Shabbat kit with candles, challah cover and a special kiddush cup? That's true hospitality. Just like we crave cozy seclusion, so do our Jewish guests. Window coverings are essential for privacy. Keep decor tasteful and modest. Separate sleeping arrangements for mixed genders are important. It's the little things that elevate an experience. A selection of prayer books, perhaps in Hebrew and English, is a thoughtful touch. A couple of kippot, just in case they've forgotten theirs. A mezuzah on the doorpost symbolizes warmth and welcome. The Jewish calendar is full of vibrant holidays. A little awareness can go a long way. Offer a holiday kit with traditional foods or decorations and a guide to local synagogues or holiday events. Family is incredibly important in Jewish culture. Having some baby equipment on hand, a crib, a high chair is a lifesaver. A dedicated play area with some toys and books, that's just good sense. Sensitivity and respect. A little goes a long way. A little cultural sensitivity goes a long way. Learning a few basic Hebrew greetings like shalom, hello, or toda, thank you, is charming. Make sure there are no non-kosher items in the house, especially in the kitchen. Communication is key for a warm and welcoming vibe. A handwritten welcome note is a personal touch. Include information about local synagogues or Jewish community centers. Create a little kosher dining guide with local restaurants that have kosher options. Above and beyond the extra mile. A welcome basket with kosher treats and a handwritten note is special. Consider being lenient with check-in and check-out times, especially around Shabbat and holidays. Creating a home away from home. A few simple, heartfelt touches can transform your Airbnb into a truly kosher-friendly haven. It's all about creating a warm, welcoming and inclusive space where everyone feels at home. Like and subscribe for more Superhost tips.